Hello everyone. Today I'm here to show you how IBM watsonx Orchestrate and ABBYY Timeline work hand in hand to transform the whole KYC process. So without any further delay, let's get started. As you can see on my screen, this is the Smart KYC Agent in IBM watsonx Orchestrate. Now, as soon as I initiate this agent, it first welcomes me and guides me through the process. It asks me for my full name as present in the document. The next detail it requires is the email address for further communication. Once I have provided all my details, it tells me exactly what documents are required for the KYC process. As I am already ready with my documents, so I have confirmed the same to the agent. Now, before uploading the sample to agent, let me quickly show you the document which I'm going to use for this demo. As you can see on my screen, this is the sample document, which includes passport, bank statement, and income tax form all combined in one single PDF. Now, as soon as we upload this sample to the agent, Orchestrate seamlessly sends this document to ABBYY Vantage. In Vantage, as you can see on my screen, the processing has been started on the document it has received. It classifies the document, extracts the key field from the document, and makes sure that the data is ready for the further compliance check. Next, Orchestrate fetches the extracted data from ABBYY Vantage and runs the further validation rules and compliance check. These rules involves validating the expiry date of the ID document. Once all the validation rules and checks has been processed, Orchestrate takes the decision whether to complete and approve the KYC request or reject the KYC request. As you can see on my screen, since all our documents were valid, therefore the KYC process has been approved and completed. In fact, as you can see on my screen, we have received the email communication for the completion as well. In fact, when the processing got started, that time as well, we have received the email communication. Now, each and every step is being recorded and sent to ABBYY Timeline. In Timeline, as you can see on my screen, we can visualize the whole journey of each and every case, from document upload to extraction to validation. Timeline breaks down our whole process, and we can visualize and analyze to total number of requests that has been processed, to total number of requests that got completed, failed, and in fact errored out. We can leverage the bottleneck analysis feature to dig deeper into our process and find the inefficiencies and issues in our process. For instance, in case where KYC was being errored out, in those requests, there has been an impact on the business. Now, Timeline quantifies this impact so that we can see the financial cost and plan the further improvements. This is just a glimpse of Timeline. In Timeline, we can do a lot more by leveraging different features. We can simulate and forecast our number of requests as well. As you can see in this demo, Orchestrate collects the document, sends it to Vantage. Vantage then understands the document, extracts the details. Orchestrate gets this extracted data, runs the validation rules, acts on these data, and takes the decision. Further, Timeline visualizes each and every step that has taken place as evidence. All the three platforms combined together are making the KYC process much more faster, compliant, and fully explainable.